Digital timer allows chefs to monitor cooking times for 3 different dishes. Legible LCD displays cooking and AM/PM times up to 100 minutes in hours, minutes and seconds. Straightforward design for easy operation. Memory function recalls previous settings for cooking multiple batches. Alarm beeps for 1 minute. Equipped with a hanging hole, clip, magnet and stand. 2 AAA batteries come installed. Time up to 3 activities simultaneously with easy-to-use functions, 3 distinct alarms that sound for up to 1 minute, and a clock display that makes this the perfect timepiece for a kitchen or garage. The large, easy-to-read LCD face counts either up to or down from 100 hours. Comes with a memory feature, plus a clip, stand, magnet and hanging hole for versatile use. Requires 2 AAA batteries included. Top reviews from the United States. Best timer ever. This white West Bend timer with 3 timers is simple to use as a clock, stopwatch, or timers. I have used 2 West Bends just like this, but with colorful buttons, for over a decade, and this works as perfectly as they still do. I keep my old ones busy in other rooms, so I bought this new one, with dark and light gray buttons, because the abysmally designed timer on my new stove is useless. The strong magnet on this West Bend holds the timer firmly to the fan hood for convenient timing of 3 different dishes at once. Each of the 3 timers on this timer sounds a unique beeping pattern which lasts for 1 minute, after which the timer counts up to 24 hours, if I remember correctly, to let you know how long it has been since the alarm sounded. This is one of the most useful gadgets I own.